All right, welcome back. In our very first video in this series, we did a general overview of the Start Pro interface, all right, of the Start Pro dashboard. You can go back to the very first video in this series where we started with modeling of steel truss, and you can get all of that. All right, in this in the configuration tab under the project task, you can do so many changes. All right, you can change your unit from metric to English. You can look at your default design codes, your global axis orientation, and all of that. All this we did in the very first video in this series. Okay, so let's hit on new projects. We've explained all this before. You check on space because our structure is three-dimensional structure, space structure. All right, our units are in kilonewton per meter, and then, like we said before in the previous video, our project will be named building 1. all right, so if you want to change the location where the project is saved, you can browse and change the location. All right, so it's telling me the file already exists. Okay, I don't want to replace it, so I go to next. Okay, let's make some changes to the name. All right, we can say building 1. all right, we say next. Okay, add beam is already checked. If it's not checked, you check it. So you can model using this grid system, and then you can also model using the coordinate system. Like I said in the other video, we are going to be modeling a story building that has 4 bays of 4 meter by 4 meters. Okay, so I can close this up to use my coordinate method of modeling. So right away, my coordinates at the initial position is 0, 0, 0. Okay, I'm going to go to my x direction, 4 meters. Okay, and then I can come to my main toolbar, and then I can change this to, all right, I can change my coordinate system from XYZ to XY. Okay, in my next modeling, I can either choose to enter using the coordinate method by entering the coordinate of my points, or I can choose to copy. So right here, I'm going to copy these 2 nodes. All right, I use the node cursor and I'll select. Now I want to copy them up to my Z direction according to my coordinate axis here. You can see the coordinate axis. If you're going up is Z, if you're going to the right is X. So I want to copy up, so I use these 2 translational repeats on the Start Pro main toolbar. So I hit on it. Like we established before, we are copying to the Z direction, so I check Z, and then we are copying 2 steps of 3.5 meters each. So I come to the step drop down and I hit 2, and then I put my default step spacing to be 3.5, and then I want to link it up with beam. So I check on link steps, and then I say okay. So this is what we got. So very quickly I complete the top and the middle with a beam. So I click on add beam from my main toolbar and then I complete it. So in our next video we are going to see how to copy it into how to copy this two-dimensional structure we have made into multiple places in order to achieve our three-dimensional space structure. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.